Alright guys, today I got a little project to do at Mom's house, and I'll show you what I got going on here. She's got a wood built porch awning and deck here, and they had the second-hand door. That second-hand door there is just kind of screwed in there. This latch is a little bit off, but it works, it holds. And then here's the hinges. One screw there, and a couple screws down there. So they got another second-hand door they want to try to put up. Actually, I'm going to try to put it up. It's got a glass on it. Of course, glass is not going to matter because this is an open porch, but it keeps their dog Pepper in, and he won't be able to rip the screen because the screen's on the outside. On the inside, it will be glass that you can open to get more of a breeze if you wanted more breeze than this. So, simple project, I believe. Just unscrew this old door and screw the other one back in. I got my tools down here. I carried in the RV. So I got a drill, claw hammer, some attachments and bits, and some screws I should have in here to anchor the new door in. Made some progress on the door. Need some more pieces though. I've got a gap here because the door wasn't quite as wide as the other one. So, but we got the hinge all screwed in all the way down. And I even took the spring off the other one so that it doesn't swing and rip open in high winds if you open the door. Right now I got a bungee strap on here, just kind of holding it until I get to go to the hardware store. And this is how it looks from the outside. So I got to measure this gap here and then get like a catch, a door catch striker that this will be able to use, or I might have to get a new type of door striker, I'm not sure, because that's way in there. We'll see what kind of screen door hardware they have. And this gap is a little bit wider at the bottom than at the top, so I'll have to keep that in mind. So there we go. There's a start. Made good progress today. I went to the hardware store yesterday and got some more hardware for this door. We've got it working properly now. I'll give you a look at. So I had to get a 2x4. Now keep in mind, this structure over here is not level, and that's what's putting all this off with the door situation. But I don't want to move or mess with this wood here, just 2x4, because it's at a seam there, and I didn't want this to start coming down if I started moving this beam there. So I just adjusted for it here at the 2x4, and this plastic wood faux plastic 1x2 weatherproof. This is pressure treated 2x4. I was able to chisel this out here. We've got our striker catch. And it's working now. It's not my best work, but it works. Better than what they had. So now we're gonna do a bonus for them. Bonus for Mom. I'm gonna install this solar motion light right here. And I installed one of these at our house back in Florida. This is the On For You solar motion light. So it's got the solar panel, motion sensor, and then 3 big adjustable LED lights that you can adjust. So we're gonna put right up here where I put the ladder. I think right on the corner here we'll have it so that it'll kind of shine down toward the entry steps and out to the driveway here where the RV is, and then probably one off to the side yard. So when you pull in at night, this thing will sense motion when you're walking up and give you a light for entry. And the solar panel will put right up there. The sun is right. It goes just like this in the Canadian days here. So we'll aim the solar panel that way. And we'll put it at a slant, of course, so that snow can melt and drop off of it during the snowy season. So let me get to work and we'll hang this up and see how it works tonight. So this is it. Unpackaged the On For You solar powered security light. It gives you everything you need to mount it and power it with the sun. These side lights are adjustable. Even this, all of them are adjustable. As you can see, like this. Even the sensor is adjustable. So let me get this hung up. Okay, I finished hanging the On For You solar motion light right there on the corner up there. And that only took me about 15 to 20 minutes. It's not difficult, and that included the pairing with the On For You app. So it is a smart solar security light. Even though at the house I never use the smart app on it, but it helps set it up nice and easy and quick and get all the parameters you want set to how bright you want it when it comes on, for how long, how many seconds or minutes you want it to stay on if the motion activates it. And you can do all that within the app, which makes it really easy. Then those little knobs that they usually have on the bottom side of the motion sensors are the ones that are wired into your house. So I really like these a lot, and they've been really dependable at our Florida home. So now Mom's got one. Oh, I gotta take the plastic cover, protective cover off the solar panel still yet. And there's our light. We got one pointing out to the side like I told you, and one pointing over to the entry steps, and then one out here to the driveway right here, which we're using this week. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll leave the links to this light below in the video description. All right, let's go try out this motion light that I hung earlier since it's dark out. Piggies, you want to come with me? We got Pixie. So we will ignore that temperature sensor. I'll tell you about that temperature sensor in a day or two. Okay, dark out. We're gonna go around the back of the RV first. We're gonna drive, or we're gonna walk up the driveway here. So me and Pixie are here. You can see us. Not too good, I bet. And we're gonna walk up the driveway. And it's up on the corner right there where I hung it. See if it picks us up. Oh yeah. Lights up our walkway. Right, Pickies? You like it, Pickies? Now we can see. Yeah, now we can see. All right. Turn around nice and bright. And lights up the side. Pardon the junk. We're gonna get the junk out of here this week. There's the old door. an old love seat. But if we step back, look at how bright On For You motion smart light works. Now, if you want to see more in-depth detail about how the smartness of this On For You app works, I'll leave a link to the video, the full video of when I installed this at my house in Tampa, Florida. I'll leave it up top here, and also I'll leave the link if you want to purchase this light in the video description below the video. So guys, thanks for tuning into another one of my short videos, and I'll see you probably tomorrow or the next day on the road in the RV still.